right, this is verse 1, section 3 of the Copacetic Chair Dance. We're moving on through. Hopefully you're seeing the similarities between this and the BS chorus that you've already learned. So this next section of the Copacetic Chair Dance is the equivalent of the wing section in the BS chorus. You are going to start with a shuffle step on the right foot. Now your left foot is going to do a brush to the front, and it's only going to be the toes striking the floor, and you're going straight to the front. So you're doing brush, then a hop on the right, step left, shuffle step right, touch, touch left. So all together it's going to be shuffle step, brush, hop, step, shuffle, step, touch, touch. Let's do that again. And this one is going to start on 8. The Copacetic Chair Dance has a big difference with the BS chorus. Most of the sections start on 1. This section starts on 8. So you have 5, 6, 7, shuffle, step, brush, hop, step, shuffle, step, touch, touch, shuffle, step, brush, hop, step, shuffle, step, touch, touch, shuffle, step, brush, hop, step, shuffle, step, touch, touch, shuffle, step, brush, hop, step, shuffle, step, touch, touch. All right, let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7. One more time. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, step, brush, hop, step, shuffle, step, touch, touch, shuffle, step, brush, hop, step, shuffle, step, touch, touch, shuffle, step, brush, hop, step, shuffle, step, touch, touch, shuffle, step, brush, hop, step, shuffle, step, touch, touch. Five, 6, 7, shuffle, step, brush, hop, step, shuffle, step, touch, touch, shuffle, step, brush, hop, step, shuffle, step, touch, touch, shuffle, step, brush, hop, step, shuffle, step, touch, touch, shuffle, step, brush, hop, step, shuffle,